With this put together story problem, there were 5 boys playing at the house and 3 girls playing at the house. How many children were playing all together? I'll show you the progression of what children will be expected to do in first grade when it comes to problem solving. At the most basic level, they will be able to act out stories with real objects. And then whenever we go up in the progression, they will use what's called manipulatives to act out stories on something like this counting board here. Then they will be able to move from more concrete to symbolic. So we'll move slowly in this to make sure that children are understanding the concept underneath why we are adding, why we are subtracting, and how we're solving problems. As we move on later in the year, you will see your students being able to move from this concrete level to solving it in a way like this. So after hearing the story, there are 5 boys and 3 girls playing together in the house. How many are playing all together? They'll be able to ask themselves, what do I know? Well, I know there are 5 boys and 3 girls. What do I need to find out? I need to find out how many there are all together. So that means this is a put together story problem. I can solve this problem by drawing a number bond to organize my thinking, or a part-whole model. So there are 5 boys, 3 girls. How many all together? I can write an equation I think that I'm going to add whenever I solve this story problem. I know part plus part equals whole, so 5 plus 3 equals unknown. Students will be required to use an unknown box to show that they really comprehend what the story problem is demanding, what it's asking from them. Then they can choose how they want to solve the problem. So one of the first ways we use is a quick circle drawing. So 5 plus 3. This is called a break apart line to organize their thinking. And they can count on or they can count all. Counting all would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Counting all would be 5, 6, 7, 8. And so they would know their total is 8. Students are required to show their thinking with pictures, numbers, or words, to include an equation with a correct solution and an unknown box. So that's a possible 4 points for them to earn whenever they're on problem solving. There are so many opportunities for challenging their thinking and showing multiple strategies, and we will work on that more later in the year, but this is what will be required of students by the end of this addition and subtraction unit. And like I said, we are starting here this week, and today is September 18th that I'm saying this.